How do we form the past tense of verbs? Let us now talk about the rules in forming the past tense of verbs. First rule, we add ed to verbs. Most regular verbs form their past tense by adding ed. Examples: clean, cleaned; talk, talked; visit, visited; walk, walked. Second rule, we add d to verbs that end with e. If the verb ends with e, we only add d to form its past tense. Examples: the verb arrive ends with letter e. To form its past tense, you only add d to make it arrived. Number 2, the word bake ends with e. You only add d to form its past tense. Bake becomes baked. Number 3, decide ends with e. You only add d to form its past tense. Decide becomes decided. Love ends with e, and to form its past tense, you add d. Love becomes loved. Arrive in the present tense, arrived in the past tense. Bake in the present tense, baked in the past tense. Decide in the present tense, decided in the past tense. Love in the present tense, loved in the past tense. Third rule, when verbs end with a vowel and y, add ed. Examples: the word enjoy ends with o, which is a vowel, and a y. O is a vowel plus letter y. Enjoy will be added with ed to form its past tense. So enjoy in the present tense becomes enjoyed in the past tense. The word play ends with a vowel a and a y. So play will be added with ed to form its past tense. Play in the present tense, played in the past tense. Obey ends with an e and a y. Add ed to form its past tense. Obey in the present tense, obeyed in the past tense. The same as stay, it becomes stayed. When verbs end with a consonant and a y, we change y to I and add ed. Examples: the word copy ends with a consonant p and a letter y. To form its past tense, we change first y to I, then we add ed. So copy in the present tense becomes copied in the past tense. Cry ends with r and y, so change y to I, then add ed. Cry in the present tense, cried in the past tense. Study ends with d and y, study becomes studied, and try becomes tried. Remember that if the letter before y is a consonant, such as p, r, or d, you need to change y to I before adding ed. Here are some examples of irregular verbs in their present and past tense. Remember, we do not add d or ed to form the past tense of irregular verbs. we change their spelling. Is, was, are, were, arise, arose, begin, began, bite, bit, catch, caught, come, came, eat, ate, sit, sat, sleep, slept. So we say, I eat vegetable every day. That is the present tense. But if you are done doing it, you say, I ate vegetable yesterday.